This is a classic and iconic Pininfarina-penned Ferrari 308 GTS. It's a desirable early carburettor-equipped version, and it's beautifully presented in Blue Sera with beige leather interior. Introduced at the Paris Auto Salon in 1975, the contemporary-style 308 GTB, Ferrari's second V8 road car, marked a return to Pininfarina styling following the Bertone-designed 308 GT4. A 308 GTS of the first series, equipped with the desirable Weber carburetors, this model is not only rarer, more popular and more powerful, but above all much closer to Ferrari's original conception than the later variants with fuel injection. This striking Blue Sera 308 GTS was finished at the Maranello works during 1978 and is one of approximately 2,185 early carburettor cars produced between 1977 and 1980. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe.